Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to a weekly COT review. Today we're going to be analyzing the 6 Commitments of Traders report of 2020, and as we always do, we shall start the analysis by looking at the largest changes in commercial positions. And here we have soybean meal with a 33% change over there, 36% change in large speculators. So there's no question that this change size is amongst the largest change in the past 1 year. It is of course a bullish COT change signal coming after a decline that's been going on since December of last year. So who knows, maybe this signal will be very effective and actually push the market a bit higher early next week. We'll see about that. But moving on to the 5-year chart, we can actually see that not only do we have a bullish COT change signal, we also have a bullish COT extreme signal as well. So you may see that the traders are leaning towards the bullish side of stress levels here. But of course, don't forget, it's been going on for quite some time. So caution is advised. The last major extreme that was effective and shifted the trend was this bearish extreme from May of 2018. A wonderful signal. And of course, now we're waiting for this bullish extreme, which of course can rise to even greater levels. Will eventually stop this decline and shift the trend in the market and push the whole market upwards. We'll see about that. The next market is the Australian dollar with a 27% change in commercials positions, 34 in large speculators, much larger changes than average, of course. Again, bullish COT change signal coming similar to the soybean meal. We've been witnessing a decline since December, and this change signal suggests that we may see a rebound in the market happening possibly early next week. If you look at the extreme analysis, this 5 years chart, you may see that we're a bit closer to bullish levels. We are not at those huge extremes that we've witnessed from, let's say, October of 2018, bullish extremes over there. But as you may see, did not really have the strength to shift the trend. And the market is still in a downtrend mode. So we might need to see much greater extremes happening in the next couple of weeks or month to really expect the shift in the trend of the Australian dollar. So it's really the COT change signal that could have an effect and push the market a bit higher early next week. We'll see about that. Moving on to heating oil, which we talked about in our last review, you may see that maybe something's happening here. A bottom is developing. We are again witnessing a bullish COT change signal, suggesting that this little rally that we've witnessed since Tuesday should continue on early next week. Moving on to the 5 years chart, of course, it's visible that we are also at a significant bullish COT extreme, which is supported from all major traders, as you may see. Moving on to large speculators COT extreme, we've got rough rice on top of our list with a 450 report extreme, and you may see that on the charts over there. It is of course a bearish COT extreme signal, suggesting that we should see a decent fall in the market in the next couple of weeks and month ahead of us. We talked about heating oil. We're going to jump over that and open cocoa, where we have a 236 report extreme in large speculators. Again, very nice bearish extreme signal suggesting a move downwards. You may see how well the market reacted to previous bearish extremes in the past, and who knows if this is already it, or we might need to wait a few more weeks for this extreme to really reach that level. Soybean meal, we talked about Swiss franc, our last market for this review, 162 report extreme over there in large speculators. You may see that extreme on the charts over here. Again, this is a bearish COT extreme signal suggesting some weakness happening in the market in the next couple of weeks, month ahead of us. And again, of course, you may see how the market reacted to bearish extremes in the past. Not always that obvious, but definitely a very helpful tool in our long-term views. So that was all for this review. Of course, don't forget you can do much more here at COTBase.com, analyzing other markets, all the new COT report types and other data types available. You can also analyze interesting data sets, not just the net positions. You can go deeper and analyze multiple report changes compared to any look back period that you want. You can analyze the COT extreme by looking at the COT index, the move index, And we also have a tool called the long-term trend indicator, which I believe is very, very supportive of your trading as well. Volume and open interest analysis, I believe that's something very crucial for everybody to look at if you're trading futures or options on futures. So a lot of interesting tools here. I hope you will give it a try. I very much appreciate your attention. Thank you for being with me. I wish you a pleasant weekend and take care. Goodbye.